Hey guys, this is Swati and I'm back with some cool hacks on Google Sheet. I think you already know how to do these things in the Excel sheet. I'll be just showing you how we can do these cool hacks on a Google Sheet. Okay, so we often come across a situation wherein we have names with first name and last name in a single column, and we would like to have them in separate columns. Okay, especially when you are trying to save contacts on a MailChimp, where we would like to save the contacts in first name and last name columns, so that while doing the customization in the email, we can send personalized email with, like, dear first name, isn't it? All of us do that. So I'll be showing you a very easy way of doing it. All you have to do is select the column with the names having both the first name and the last name. Okay, and then go to data and then click on split text to columns. Okay, or you could go for space, which is the case here. Okay, so you just click there and you get your first names and last name in two separate columns. Okay, isn't it a cool hack? So now consider that you are in a completely opposite situation wherein you would like to have both the first name and last name in a single column. Okay, so when you are trying to concatenate two columns, isn't it? So there is this very easy function called concatenate. Okay, all you have to do is write equal to concatenate and just give the address, that is A2, comma, I would like to have some space, so I'll just use this space delimiter and then B2, and I will click enter. Yeah, it's giving me a suggestion to do the same with the rest of the rows. Yes, so this is how you split the names and then again concatenate the names into a single column. Isn't it cool? Okay, so this was the first function which I was going to explain you. The next one is the array formula. So for that, let me go to another sheet. Yes, so this is a report which was created by a sales manager regarding the number of, it was created by a sales manager regarding various sales agents, their areas and the products which they sold, what was their unit cost, what was the discount they given, etc. Okay, so now I would like to know the discounted cost, which is unit cost subtracted by the discount. When we are trying to remove the discount from unit, when we deduct the discount amount from the unit cost, we will get the discounted cost. In the usual scenario, what we would do, very simple, we would write equal to, write F2 minus E2 and then click enter. Okay, then we would, sorry, I did just the opposite. I would do E2 minus F2, isn't it? And just click enter and I would get the result. Very simple. And then you just drag the cell and you get the amount for the discounted cost for each row. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. No problem. This is the usual way. Consider if you are having a very large sheet, and too many calculations. During those situations, this is not a very ideal way of calculating, applying a formula to various cells. Okay, various cells in a column. So what we can do in that situation is use something called as an array formula. It is very simple. What you write is equal to array formula, right? And then you give the range. For example, here the range is E2 is to from E column, second row, to E column, the last cell being E20, which is subtracted from F2, F2 to F20. Okay, and I just click enter. I need not drag and drop. I just need to give the range and all the values will be calculated in that range. So that was all about array formula. Now I would be explaining you about how to create a heat map. Okay, so let me first quickly explain you what is a heat map. Basically, heat map is an easy visualization of how a certain thing is increasing or decreasing. Okay, obviously if you see the numbers in discount field, you will see that the numbers are ranging from say 0 to 92. Okay, and I would like to see it in the gradual increase or decrease in colors, so it is very easy at one glance. Okay, so this is how the discounts are happening. Okay, so I'm just taking this example of discount in this situation, but it could be anything. Whenever you are creating any reports and you would like to show an increase and decrease or any kind of differences which is happening over a period or over a range, then this is a very good way of showcasing that. Okay, so what you need to do is just select the column for which you want to create that heat map. Okay, and then go to format. Once you've selected the column, go to format, go to conditional formatting. Okay, so now this is the conditional formatting. So they already have pre-existing color scale, but if you would like to have your own rule, then click on add another rule. All right, fine. So now it has also selected the range. Okay, you could select till the number till your report is present. So mine is only till F20, so I'll just select F20. Okay, format, color scale. All right, okay, so this is already present color scale. Custom color scale, if you want to do, change the minimum value. If you want to show the minimum value as the lightest of colors and maximum as say the darkest of colors, then you do this. All right, so you can see the color. For minimum discount it will be lightest, and for maximum discount it will be this dark red color. Okay, if you just click on done, the heat map will be generated. Okay, so you have two things. One is single color, wherein you just select one single color, or you could select color scale. I hope you really like this video. You can contact me over Bishop Slack, or you could comment here if you have any questions. Thank you so much.